Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Water Sandblaster is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools for surface preparation and cleaning, offering a powerful yet controlled method to remove rust, paint, and grime without the harshness of dry blasting. This innovative approach uses a mixture of water and abrasive media to create a slurry that effectively tackles tough jobs while minimizing dust and environmental impact, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a cleaner and safer way to achieve pristine surfaces. Number 5. LEMATEC Portable Sandblaster Gun Pro Kit. Engineered for precision and power, this gravity-fed blaster tackles automotive restoration, wood furniture refinishing, and metal prep with ease. It strips away years of rust, paint, and grime to leave a perfectly prepped surface. For smooth, uninterrupted blasting, this premium tool operates best at 90 psi requiring 4 CFM. Pair it with a 20-plus gallon air compressor tank for continuous, professional-grade workflow on larger projects. It is compatible with #46, #100 grit media, including aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, glass beads, and walnut shells. Always use an inline moisture filter to keep your air dry, preventing media clogs and ensuring a consistent spray pattern. Weighing just 1.29 pounds, the ergonomic design prevents fatigue during extended detail work and spot blasting. The easy pull trigger offers beginner-friendly control with professional-level results. It features a rugged ABS housing and a wear-resistant ceramic nozzle designed to handle abrasive media flow. The simple, field-serviceable design allows for easy routine maintenance and consistent operation during your projects. What we like. This tool is engineered for precision and power, making it ideal for detailed restoration work. Its lightweight design and ceramic nozzle ensure durability and consistent performance. If you are looking for a tool that offers excellent control for intricate projects like auto restoration or furniture refinishing, this is a great choice. What people say. Used it to clean a few small parts on a car restoration that were proving difficult to sand by hand before paint. Have used it on a variety of different parts now, mostly because it's way more convenient and quicker to use this rather than trying to sand them by hand. Used this to do it instead. A few hours job turned into the whole door being ready in about 30 minutes. This thing is way better than expected. I sifted the sand with a window screen and it worked great. Had to stop a few times here and there for the compressor to build back up, but it works great. Way better than the cabinet blaster I use at work. This seems to be more consistent with the delivery. Number 4. LEMATEC Sandblaster Gun Kit AS118-2C. Introducing the LEMATEC Sandblaster Gun Kit, your solution for tough surface jobs. It's designed for efficient rust removal and detailed glass etching. This tool requires a minimum of 4 CFM at 90 psi for optimal continuous operation, up to a maximum of 150 psi. It connects easily with a standard 1/4 NPT fitting. Switch between gravity feed for intricate details and siphon feed for larger areas with the included 7-foot hose. It adapts to your project needs. For best results, use with a compressor of at least 6 gallons and ensure it provides high air volume. This prevents sputtering and ensures consistent performance. Keep your air supply dry with an inline filter and use only clean, dry abrasive media between 46 to 100 grit to prevent clogging and ensure smooth operation. Crafted with a hardened ceramic nozzle, this tool is built to last. Its fully serviceable design makes it ideal for both professional and demanding DIY use. What we like. Featuring both gravity feed for detail work and siphon feed for larger surfaces, this sandblaster offers great versatility. The hardened ceramic nozzle ensures longevity and consistent performance. If you need a tool that can handle a variety of tasks, from small touch-ups to larger projects, and you value a durable, serviceable design, this is the one for you. What people say. Super easy to use, compact but works excellent. The product does very well with running soda and has a built-in trigger with a container for the material being sprayed. It runs well with my compressor at their suggested PSI setting. This is a nice blaster and works well. Number 3. Selkie Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit. Discover a cleaner way to sandblast with the Selkie Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit. This innovative tool offers an effective alternative to traditional methods, tackling rust, paint, and stubborn materials without creating dust. Easily prepare and clean irregular surfaces with this versatile attachment. It's designed to remove unwanted materials efficiently, leaving your surfaces ready for the next step. This kit includes everything you need, from a pressure washer wand to replacement nozzle tips and protective eyewear. Built with premium, rust-resistant materials, it's made for lasting performance. Experience stable performance with a maximum pressure rating of 5,000 psi. Its quick connect design makes setup a breeze, allowing you to get to work right away. From cleaning machinery and engine compartments to clearing driveways and barn doors, this tool is perfect for a wide range of tasks. It effectively removes rust, paint, scale, and debris from various surfaces. Constructed with durability in mind, this Sandblaster gun kit features a chrome-plated gun and copper nozzle fittings. Its robust design ensures it can handle tough jobs, making it ideal for automotive parts cleaning. What we like. This kit offers a dust-free alternative to traditional sandblasting, making it ideal for indoor or sensitive environments. Its high PSI rating allows for powerful cleaning of stubborn materials. If you need to remove rust, paint, or stains without creating a mess, especially on irregular surfaces, this wet sandblasting attachment is a fantastic option. What people say. Blasting medium and water at 3100 psi takes paint off of cast iron really well. The finished product is smoother and more polished than a dry sand blasting finish. You don't get all full of sand like traditional sandblasting. Number 2. LEMATEC Portable Sandblaster Gun Kit. Experience consistent media flow with its top-mounted reservoir. This design is perfect for detailed tasks like spot rust removal and glass etching. It requires a minimum of 4 CFM at 90 psi. Please ensure your air compressor meets these needs for optimal performance. This tool performs best at a steady 90 psi, though it's rated up to 150 psi. Correct air volume is more crucial than higher pressure. Dry air is essential for uninterrupted flow. Using an inline moisture trap will prevent damp air from causing clogs. Built with a durable body and steel nozzle, it's made to last. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. What we like. Designed for consistent media flow and control, this gravity-fed sandblaster is perfect for spot treatments and detailed work. The durable steel nozzle and ergonomic grip minimize fatigue during extended use. If you prioritize accuracy and control for tasks like spot rust removal or intricate glass etching, this tool will deliver excellent results. What people say. Worked great and I plug it to Milwaukee M18 compressors, you take breaks when carbon and that's all. Sandblaster as described, easy to use. My project was to blast outdoor aluminum furniture in preparation for painting. It took time to do to only being able to do about 1 4-inch area at a time, but the bolt heads are gray again and it's ready for a new paint job. Good for small areas, don't expect to sandblast a whole trailer or vehicle with it. I used a 20-gallon vertical air compressor to power it. Number 1. Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit. Introducing our powerful sandblasting kit, designed to tackle tough cleaning jobs. It's an essential tool for deep cleaning applications. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a hose, wands for water and sand, protective goggles, clamps, and replacement nozzles. Get ready for efficient sandblasting. Easily inject sand into your water system for effective cleaning. It's perfect for removing rust, graffiti, paint, and grease. Constructed with brass and stainless steel, this attachment is built to last. It offers corrosion and abrasion resistance, with a working pressure up to 5,000 psi. Ideal for both household and factory use, it connects easily to most pressure washers with its 1 4-inch quick connector. Experience superior cleaning performance. Achieve a deeper, more thorough clean than ever before. This tool is designed for abrasive cleaning tasks, leaving surfaces spotless. What we like. This attachment utilizes wet sandblasting technology, making it effective for removing tough grime like rust, graffiti, and paint without the dust. Constructed from corrosion-resistant brass and stainless steel, it's built for durability and high performance. If you're looking for a powerful and robust solution for abrasive cleaning tasks in household or factory settings, this high PSI kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Meets my needs, diameter is correct, items are flexible. When used with dedicated sandblast media I had no problems. I also noticed that it is not as aggressive as dry blasting, using the same media, but the trade-off is no dust. The inside corners that were better cleaned with the pressure washer sandblaster simply because the disc couldn't reach that part of the inside corner. In that case it works better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.